Personalize your Alexa-enabled device with skills that fit your needs. Thousands of skills are available, so you can get things done. Alexa, ask Capital One, what's my account summary?
Your current balance is $310.07.
Use skills for travel. Alexa, ask Lyft for a ride.
The nearest Lyft driver is 2 minutes away.
Stay informed with skills like Fitbit. Alexa, ask Fitbit how many steps I've taken.
You've taken 100 steps.
Make your home smarter with home automation. Alexa, set downstairs temperature to 72 degrees.
Okay.
Or just have a little fun. Alexa, ask Magic 8-Ball if I'm going to be rich.
Oh yes, that's for sure.
It's easy to start finding the right skills for you. Go to the Skills section in your Alexa app to see the growing catalog of available skills. When you find a skill you like, tap Enable Skill. No need to download or install. You can also enable a skill by using your voice. Alexa, enable the Jeopardy skill.
I have enabled the Jeopardy skill for you.
Once you've enabled the skill, just ask Alexa, Alexa, play Jeopardy!
Today's first category is state capital attractions.
Alexa is always learning, and new skills are available every day. Go to the Skills section in the Alexa app and get started today.